I am Singh. Today I am going to teach you quadratic polynomial. As you have studied quadratic, the formula of quadratic polynomial is ax square plus bx plus c. See here cautiously, the coefficient of x square is a here. The coefficient of x will be equal to b and the constant term is said to be c. Now let's have an example to have zeros of quadratic polynomial. Zeros of quadratic polynomial means you have to have the value of x by factorizing it or splitting it. We have to take an example x square plus 8x plus 15 here. At first multiply 15 to 1, we will get plus 15. Then you have to split 8 into two parts, so the sum of these two parts will be equal to 8 and the product will be equal to 15. See the next step. Here x square plus 5x plus 3x plus 15. In the second step, if you are going to add 5x and 3x, you will get plus 8x. And if 5 is multiplied by 3, you will get 15. Then common. X will be common in these two terms, so x plus 5. 3 will be common in these two terms, so x plus 5. Then this will be equal to x plus 5 and x plus 3 is equal to 0. If the product of two quantities is equal to 0, then one of must be equal to 0. So either x plus 5 will be equal to 0 or x plus 3 will be equal to 0. If x plus 5 will be equal to 0, then x will be equal to minus 5. If x plus 3 will be equal to 0, then x will equal to minus 3. These two values, minus 5 and minus 3, are also known as the value of x. These are said to be the values of zeros. These are said to be the alpha and beta. You may suppose any of them as alpha or as beta regardless the order. Students, now we are going to have a relationship between zeros and the coefficient of the quadratic polynomial. As you have studied, the coefficient of x square is a, coefficient of x is b and c will be the constant term. See the first relation, sum of the roots. See the first relation, sum of the roots. Sum of the zeros or sum of the values of x is given by the formula alpha plus beta. It means we have already have these two values minus 5 and minus 3. So put the value of sum of the roots. If you are going to add minus 5 and minus 3, you will get minus 8. And if you put the value of here, see here, the value of, see this equation. Here b is, a is 1, b is 8 and c is 15. So if you are going to, if you add minus 5, minus 3, you will get minus 8. And if minus 8, minus is put before minus 8, it will be plus 8. And plus 8 by 1. See here the value, if you take, see here minus 5 plus minus 3, this will be minus 8. And if you are going to have minus b by a, so minus 8 and the value of a in this equation is 1. So 8 by 1, so this will be equal to 8. So just try to understand. Minus, so first equation, first condition, see here, first condition is satisfied if alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a, or minus b by a means if you are going to put the value of my b and a, we will get coefficient of x. Coefficient of x is 8 and coefficient of x square is 1. So this will be equal to what one? 8 by 1 and first condition is satisfied. Just try to understand, sum of the roots is alpha plus beta and this will be equal to minus b by a, and minus b by a, coefficient of x, minus b is minus coefficient of x and a is the coefficient of x square. So if you add it, you will get minus 8, and if minus is put before the expression, we will get 8. So 8 by 1. And naturally, if you are going to have the value, if you are going to have the value independently minus b by a in this expression, take it. So the value of b is here 8 and value of minus 8, this will be equal to minus b by a, the minus plus, and this will be equal to 8 by 1. So first condition is satisfied, that the sum of the roots will be alpha plus beta. This will be equal to minus b by a, and that will be coefficient of x minus coefficient of x by coefficient of x square. Now we are going to have the second relation as product of roots. This may be written as alpha into beta. These are the roots alpha and beta. So alpha and beta, and this will be equal to c by a, and this will be equal to constant term by coefficient of x square. At first we are going to have the value as alpha beta. See here, alpha, the value of alpha is minus 5, the value of beta is minus 3. This will be equal to plus 50. So alpha into beta will be equal to plus 50. Then we can have the value of c, and if it will be equal, then our condition is satisfied. So find the value of c by a with the help of this equation. See here, in the x square plus 8x plus 15, 15 is the constant term. So if you are going to have the value of c by a with the help of x square plus 8x plus 15, the value of c is 15 here, and the value of a is 1 here. So 15 will be equal to 15, and this will be equal to constant term by coefficient of x square. So our second condition, alpha beta and the product of roots will be equal to c by a will be equal to constant term by coefficient of x square is satisfied. Students, now we can have a formula. If roots of the given quadratic polynomial are given, just try to understand. We have just calculated alpha is equal to minus 5, and beta is equal to minus 3. If alpha and betas are given, then the quadratic polynomial will be equal to x square minus sum of the roots alpha plus beta into x plus product of the roots. This is the formula to have the quadratic polynomial with the help of roots given. Just try to, if the roots are given, it means if the values of zero values are given, the value of x are given, the value of roots are given, then how can you have the quadratic polynomial? Then this is the formula, x square minus sum of the roots into x plus product of the root. You have just calculated the value of alpha is equal to minus 5 and the value of beta is minus 3. Put these values in this first expression. X square minus alpha is equal to minus 5 and beta is equal to minus 3 into x plus minus 5 into minus 3. So if you are going to calculate it, it will be equal to x square plus 8x plus 15, and these alpha and beta are calculated with the help of this quadratic polynomial. So naturally this will be the correct formula, and this is the value of alpha and beta, and that's all. Thank you very much.